Hi, this is Sarah. We're going to do a cardio flow with a focus on bird of paradise. Our objective is to create some heat, to practice arm binds in a variety of ways, to challenge our balance skills and experience bird of paradise. We start in child's pose, Balasana. Then we rise to table. Walk your arms forward long, drop your rib cage down. Maybe your forehead to the mat, maybe your chin for a deeper back bend. Where do you feel this in your shoulders? Then we rise to table. Tuck your toes under. Lift your hips, down dog. Pressing strong into your hands and feet. Let's roll forward to plank. Belly muscles in. Drop your knees, tuck your toes, hips back. Stretch the arms high, find a back bend. Then drop your hips. Grab your left heel, side body stretch. Drop your hips, grab your right heel, side body stretch. Come to center. Reach high, look up. Hands down. Down dog. Full breath in, stretch your lungs. Full breath out, empty your lungs. Come forward to plank, abdominals drawn in. Then drop your knees and stretch the arms high. Left hand to heel, side body stretch, open. Come to center, grab your right heel, side body stretch, reach. Come to center. Reach high, look up. Hands to the mat, down dog. Full breath in, expand. Full breath out, engage. Bend your knees, walk or jump forward, half lift. Fold. Bend your knees, chair, arms up, maybe palms touch. Hands to heart. Bend your knees. Chair, squeeze your knees together. Forward fold. Halfway lift, long spine. Walk or jump back, lower down. Point your toes back, rise. Tuck your toes under, downward facing dog. Right leg high. Lunge it forward, drop your left knee. Reach both arms up. Right hand down, side body stretch. Reach it high once more. Hands down, high plank to low, maybe hover. Open your chest, downward facing dog. Left leg high. Lunge it all the way forward. Drop your right knee. Press down to rise up. Left hand down, side body stretch. Rise up to center. Hands down, high plank to low. Point your toes back, rise, shoulders squeeze back. Then tuck your toes, down dog. Spread your fingers, spread your toes, engage your low belly muscles. That's going to help you balance later on. Come up on the toes, walk or jump forward, half lift, then fold. Bend your knees, chair, then stand, this time with the breath. Inhale to chair, exhale to fold. Inhale, half lift, exhale, low plank. Inhale to cobra, exhale down dog, inhale right leg high, exhale low lunge, inhale arms up, side body stretch, inhale it high, exhale low plank, inhale to your back bend, exhale down dog, inhale left leg high, exhale low lunge, inhale arms up, exhale side bend, inhale it up, Exhale, low plank. Inhale, find your back bend. Exhale to down dog, 3 deep breaths right here. Press your chest back. It's swift, it creates heat, it creates power. Use it. Let's come up on the toes, walk or jump forward, half lift, then fold. Bend your knees, chair. Stand, hands to heart, all again. Inhale to chair, then fold. Inhale, half lift, chaturanga. Inhale to rise, down dog. Inhale, right leg high, lunge it all the way forward. Inhale, arms up, side bend. Inhale it high, chaturanga dandasana. Inhale, open. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left leg. Step it forward, drop your knee, reach high. Side bend. Reach it up. Low plank. Open your chest. Down dog. Full breaths in, full breaths out, right here. Bend your knees, walk or jump, half lift, then fold. Chair, sink low. Hands to heart. Inhale to chair. Fold deeper. Halfway lift. Chaturanga. Inhale, rise. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, right leg high. Step it forward. Low lunge. Inhale, arms up. Side bend. Can you go deeper? Reach high. Low plank with control. Open your chest. Down dog. Inhale, left leg high. Lunge it forward. Drop your knee. Inhale, arms up. Side stretch. Inhale it up. Lower the body. Empty your lungs. Inhale to rise. Down dog. Full breaths in. Full breaths out. You know the drill. Let's come high on the toes, walk or jump, half lift and fold. Bend your knees, chair, then stand. Bend your knees, chair, fold. Half lift, chaturanga. Open your chest. Down dog, we are gonna shake it up a little right here. We're gonna add some warriors to this mix. Right leg high. Step it all the way, back heel flat. Press down to rise up. Feel your warrior. Then straighten and fold. Pyramid stance with your legs. Bend the right knee. Come up on the left toes. Feel a little cobra in your chest. Then lower the body, maybe with the right leg lifted. Open your heart. Then lift your hips. Left leg goes high. Lunge your left foot all the way forward. Back heel flat. Then press down to rise up, warrior one. Can you square your chest to the front? Straighten your leg and fold, pyramid stance. How long can you make your spine? Then bend your knee, come up on the back toes, lift your heart like cobra. Then lower the body, maybe with the left leg lifted. Open your chest, downward facing dog. Full breaths in. Full breaths out. Make it happen. Next time through, you know it's going to go a little faster. Welcome that challenge. Up on the toes. Walk or jump, half lift. Then fold. Bend your knees, chair. Stand, hands to heart. Inhale, chair. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale to rise. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, right leg high. Lunge it forward, back heel flat. Inhale, warrior one. Straighten and fold. Bend your knee, lift your heart. Lower your body with control. Open your chest. Downward dog. Left leg high. Step it forward, right heel flat. Inhale to warrior one. Straighten and fold. Bend your knee, lift your heart. Lower your body. Open your chest. Down dog. Full breaths in. Full breaths out. How good does it feel to warm up, to create this heat on the inside where it matters? Up on the toes, walk or jump, half lift, then fold. Bend your knees, share. Stand. Inhale, chair. Fold. Inhale, half lift. Chaturanga. Inhale to rise. Down dog. Right leg high. Step it forward. Inhale to warrior. Fold. Bend your knee, lift your heart. Lower the body. Inhale to open. Exhale, down dog. Left leg high. Step it forward, back heel flat, warrior one. Straighten and fold. Bend your front knee, lift your heart. Lower your body. Open your chest. Downward facing dog. Full breaths in. Full breaths out. Up on the toes, walk or jump. Half lift. Fold. Bend your knees, chair. Then stand. Inhale to chair. Exhale to fold. Inhale, half lift. Chaturanga. Inhale to rise. Exhale, down dog. Right leg high. Lunge it forward. Reach high. Straighten and fold. Bend your knee. Low plank. Open your chest. Down dog. Left leg high. Lunge it forward. Arms up. Straighten and fold. Bend your knee. Lower your body. Open your chest. Down dog. Full breaths in. Full breaths out. What does this breath create on the inside? How much energy can you bring in? How luminous can you become? Walk or jump forward, half lift, then fold. Chair. Stand. Chair, how low can you go? Fold. Half lift. Chaturanga. Lift your heart. Lift your hips. Right leg high. Step it forward. Inhale to rise. Straighten and fold. Bend your knee. Low plank. Open your chest. Hips high. Left leg rises. Lunge it forward. Warrior one. Straighten and fold. Bend your knee. Low plank. Open your chest. Downward facing dog. Full breaths in, experience them. Then empty your lungs completely when you exhale. Always making room for the next breath in. Now, I think we're warm, but if you want a little more heat, let's play. Inhale, and exhale, knee to tricep. Inhale, exhale, knee to tricep. Knee to tricep, step it back. Knee to tricep, step it back. Knee to tricep, press it back. Side to side. Can you imagine that knee towards your shoulder? Get familiar with the abdominal muscles that support your spine. All right, down dog. Ha ha ha. Let's move on. Longer holds to get deeper into the muscles. Right leg high. Lunge your right foot forward, back heel flat. Windmill up to a reverse warrior. Then bring the right hand down, left arm overhead, side angle pose. Dropping your hips deep. Release your hands down, straighten your right leg, and find your pyramid pose. You can walk the arms forward to lengthen the chest even more, or you can press into your hands. Then bend your right knee. Lift your left leg, standing split. Maybe hold on behind the right calf and draw your chest closer. Breathing deeply even when we're upside down. Lower the leg. We're going to challenge our balance with eagle. Bend your knees. Right leg wraps over the left. Right arm wraps under the left. Squeeze your legs towards one another. Squeeze the arms towards one another. Breathe. Then release. Share. Fold. Half lift. Chaturanga. Open your chest. Lift your hips. Other side, left leg high. Step it forward, back heel flat. Windmill up to your reverse warrior. Then left hand down. Right arm overhead, side angle pose. Drop your hips. Stretch your fingertips. Release your hands. Then find your pyramid pose, walking the arms long, making the sides of the body expand. Bend your left knee, lift your right leg, standing split. Maybe hold on behind the left calf and hug your chest deeper. Can you strengthen the top leg more? Then lower the leg, bend your knees, and let's get ready for eagle. Wrap the left leg over the right, left arm under the right. Squeeze the shin bones towards one another. Squeeze the forearms in. Can you lift the elbows more? Then release, chair, forward fold. Half lift, lower down. Open your chest. Down dog, nice. Full breath in, full breath out. Right leg high. Step it forward, same as before. Reverse warrior. Right hand down, left arm over, side angle. This time try a bind, right arm behind you, left arm underneath your thigh bone. Lift your chest and lean back. Hands down, straighten your leg, pyramid pose. Maybe take the arms behind you like a reverse prayer. Lifting your shoulder blades, lifting your elbows, breathing deep. Release your hands, standing split. If you want to add a little feeling of twist, take your left elbow to the outside of your right calf. Lower the leg. Bend your knees for eagle, right leg over, right arm under. Can you bow your chest forward with a strong core? Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Release, fold. Half lift, low plank. Rise, down dog. Inhale, left leg high. Lunge it through. Windmill to reverse. Side angle pose. Take your right hand behind you and practice the bind, left arm underneath you. Actively lift your chest and lean back. Inhale. Exhale. Release. Pyramid pose. Can you bring the hands behind you? Reverse prayer. Lift your shoulder blades towards one another. Squeeze the elbows up and back. Release. Standing split. If you want to add that twist, right elbow to the outside of the left calf. So fun. Release the leg. Chair. Left leg over, left arm under, eagle pose. Maybe bow forward with a strong core. Inhale. Exhale. Rise, release. Forward fold. Halfway lift. Chaturanga. Inhale to rise. Exhale, down dog. Now, you can stay here, you can take a child's pose, or if you want more heat, mountain climbers. Start to bring the knees into the chest and run it out, run it out. You can speed up the breath if you like. All right, downward facing dog. Let's move on, right leg high. Step it forward. High crescent lunge. Bring the hands behind you, interlace your fingers, and try to slide the hands down the back of your leg as you lift your heart like camel pose. And let's straighten the legs, turn towards your left side, and fold. Wide straddle fold. Strengthen your arms and reach them away from your body. All these prepare you for binds. Let's turn the toes out to the side a little, bend your left knee, and try to wrap your right arm behind you, left arm underneath you, straightening your legs and leaning back. It's a bound triangle. Release your hands, walk them to the front, high plank to low. Open your chest, down dog. Inhale, left leg high. Step it forward, and then find a high crescent lunge up on your back toes. Interlace your fingers, and then slide the hands down the back of your leg as you lift your heart. Find that back bend feeling. Then straighten your legs, turn towards your right, and fold. You can walk the feet closer. You can press the palms together for more of a stretch. Release your hands and bend your right knee and try to find that bind, straightening your leg. Try to lift your chest and lean back. Make this a very active pose for your abdominals. Then bend the knees, walk the hands forward. High plank to low. Open your chest. Downward facing dog. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Right leg high. Step it forward, stay up on your back toes, high crescent lunge. Then hands behind, find your back bend. Engage the abdominals and press the hips forward. Straighten your legs, turn towards your left and fold. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Release. Turn your toes out to the side, bend your left knee and find your bind. Lifting the chest, leaning back. Maybe looking up at the ceiling. Release, hands to the front, high to low. Upwards to downwards. Left leg high. Step it forward, stay up on your back toes and rise. Hands behind, interlace your fingers and open your chest. Strengthen your abdominals and push your hips forward. Then straighten, turn to the right and fold. This both prepares the shoulders and the hamstrings for Bird of Paradise. Releasing, turn your toes out a little, bend your right knee, and find the bind behind you. You can straighten the leg again and lean back. Maybe you can grab the top wrist for a deeper bind. Then let's bend the knees, walk your hands forward, high plank to low. Upward facing, downward facing. Amazing. You can stay here for a couple of breaths, or if you want to have some fun, knee across to opposite tricep. Opposite tricep. Opposite tricep. Again, building heat, building stability in our core, and building the confidence we need to do Bird of Paradise. One more sequence to go, then I think we'll be ready. Let's lift the right leg. Lunge it all the way. Warrior one. Then bend your right elbow. Hand behind the head. Left arm goes behind for a Gomukhasana bind. You can see how this will open the shoulders. Straighten the leg. Triangle pose. Try to widen the distance between your right shoulder and your right hip. This is fun. Let's bend the front knee, drop your back knee, and find the bind just behind your low back. Straighten your legs, send your hips back, and lengthen your chest forward. Bend your knee, high to low, upwards, downwards, left leg high, step it forward. Warrior one, bend your left elbow, find that bind just behind your shoulder blades. Sink your hips and square your chest to the front. Then straighten and find a triangle. Try to lengthen from your left shoulder to your left hip. Lean back. And drop your hands, drop your back knee, and find the bind just behind your low back. Hips back, lengthen the left leg, flex the toes up, and keep lengthening your chest forward. And bend your knee, high to low, upwards to downwards. The challenge is, can you breathe even in all these crazy binds? Right leg high. Step it forward. Warrior one. Bend your right elbow. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Straighten. Triangle pose. Lean back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Release. Bring your right arm under. Left arm behind. Shift your hips back. Lengthen your chest. Breathe. It is not easy to breathe when your arms are bound, so your diaphragm gets stronger. Amazing. High plank to low. Open your chest. Down dog. Left leg high. Step it forward. Warrior one. Bend your left elbow, find the bind. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. The deeper we breathe, the more fun we have. Then triangle pose. Lean back. Maybe look up at the sky. Then bend your knee. Wrap your left arm under, right arm behind. Shift your hips back. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Release. High plank to low. Upwards to downwards. All right, you can stay here and take a break, or you can lift your right leg and your left. Right, left. Maybe you play coming up into a little handstand prep, kicking up and catching some air time, side to side, side to side. All right, downward facing dog. We are as ready as we're gonna get, so let's give Bird of Paradise a try. Lift your right leg, step it forward, back heel flat, wrap your right arm under your leg, left arm behind you. Move your weight to your right foot and step your left foot forward. Move your weight to your left foot, and with a super strong core, begin to lift your chest. Begin to open the leg out to the side. Lift your heart just like a back bend and squeeze the shoulder blades back. Proud in your chest, chin tall. Breathing. Then release the leg down, release your arms forward, fold. Half lift, chaturanga. Open your chest. Hips high. Let's find the other side. Left leg lifts. Step it forward. Left arm under, right hand behind. Step your right foot forward. Move your weight to your right side and begin to lift your left leg. Core is super powerful. You can straighten the top leg. You can lift your heart like cobra and lean back, chin up. Can you spread the left toes? And begin to release. How are those shoulders? Half lift. Walk or jump back, lower down. Open your chest. Downward facing dog. Congratulations. You did it. No matter what it looks like, it's your Bird of Paradise. Own it and be grateful. So let's walk or jump through to a seated position and play with a boat pose. Bend your knees and find Gomukhasana arms behind you. Squeeze your knees together, lift your feet. Maybe straighten your legs. Spread your toes. Keep lifting the heart. Now try to keep these arms, but drop it to a low boat. Elbows on the mat. Ankles are hovering at the level of your heart. It's so exciting to breathe here. Then release, Shavasana. Then knees in, roll up and pop back to Chaturanga. Lift your heart. Lift your hips. Then come up on the toes, jump through, and sit down. Bend your knees, and then find the arm band on the other side. Lifting your knees, lifting your feet, maybe straightening your legs. Keep lifting your heart. Then let's drop it down to a low boat. Legs are active and strong. Core is engaged. Where are you quivering right now? Then let it go. Shavasana. Hug the knees in, roll up, pop back to Chaturanga. Then open your chest. Then down dog. We can quiet this down now and stretch. Notice how your breath can slow, how your awareness can deepen. And let's step the right foot into a half pigeon, dropping your chest down. Full breaths in, full breaths out. With all this movement, the body is so ready to open, so ready to release. Let's rise up out of this pigeon. Move your body weight to your right side and wrap the left leg high and tight, over the right. Find a spinal twist. And since we've been working on binds all day, see if you can reach the right arm under the left leg and find a bind in this twist. It's a reverse bird of paradise. Maybe next week we can do this standing on one leg. What do you think? Release your twist and find your way back to downward facing dog. Left leg high. Step it into your half pigeon. Release your chest. The greater the effort, the greater the surrender. And we certainly put in the effort today. Own that surrender that you so completely deserve. Rise. Roll your weight to your left hip. Cross your right leg over your left and twist. And since your shoulders are so ready, you can wrap the left arm under the right leg. Find your bind and straighten. Lifting your rib cage. Again, next week, we do this standing on one leg. Release. Find your way to downward facing dog. It can be a pretty victorious dog. Then let's lie down on the back, getting ready for a spinal twist. Hug the knees in. And let the knees maybe rock from side to side, dropping them over to the left, opening your right arm to the right. Bring the knees in. Maybe bring the forehead towards the knees, and then switch sides. As we relax, as we recover, our mind can wrap itself around the new concepts that we might have learned today. So give yourself time to really receive the teachings, the things you ultimately teach yourself. Come back to center. Begin to move towards stillness. Move towards your Shavasana. Make yourself comfortable. Release. Let go. Shavasana. wake the body up with a little movement and come to a seated position. Spine tall, shoulders relaxed, breath deep. Bird of paradise, like any flower, takes time to grow and needs roots that are deep and flexible. So remember that we work with the physical, but what we access is often the non-physical, the breath, our persistence, our willingness to enter into the unknown. So let's take this feeling with us, like a little diamond in our pocket, for the rest of our day. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe.